global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. Governor Charles Soludo is beginning to get the first heat of insecurity. Maybe he thought this is child's play. It looks like they're warming him up ahead of even April 4th as events are unfolding. Some hours ago, news went viral that there was a showdown that went down in Nnewi Secretariat, local government. That's Nnewi South local government headquarters. Well, Governor Soludo is already there to see the level of damage. And they say UGM went there to just say hello. The hello came with a lot of damages. As it is right now, Nnamdi is feeling the heat, and I do not know how Soludo is going to take this on, but eventually he has gone to the site to see the level of damage, and this is what he has to say. Before we go into the news proper, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Let's go straight into the news. Well, Governor Chukwuma Charles Soludo early Thursday morning visited the scene of arson attack in Nnewi South local government headquarters. The governor, who was accompanied by the State Commissioner of Police and other head of security agencies, condemned the attack as mindless and very unfortunate. Governor Soludo said his heart bleeds with the mindless destruction of key buildings, key infrastructures within the local government, the education office and works department, including the traditional rulers building within the premises, were touched. The governor assured that these acts of criminalities and lawlessness will not continue. He urged the security agencies to go after the criminals and fish them out to face the law of the land. Governor Soludo also regretted that the resources to be deployed in reconstructing this burnt building would have been better utilized to provide essential needs and infrastructure that will benefit the people of Anambra. He appealed to Indian Anambra not to despair, adding that the state will rise again and no amount of repression can prevail or thwart the effort of the government to build a strong and safe Anambra state. For some of us who do not know what transpired some hours ago, but this is exactly what happened for better understanding. Well, according to the previous news, they said UGM, popularly known as unknown gunmen, have actually gone down to Nnewi South local government area headquarters itself at the early hours of the morning and set it ablaze. The people woke up with a rude shock, and hence later in the day, the governor of the state, that Charles Soludo, decided to visit the scene of the crime. It was pathetic, his heart bled and all that. But the truth is, I think at this stage and at the rate we have found ourselves as a nation, something is not right. The best people that will police a place right now is the people. Engage them. Don't go against them. Our security architecture is overwhelmed. How many are they? How many people are they going to protect at the same time? How many are they? How many are we as a nation? Bandits are how many? Terrorists are how many? They have different fractions, different names. They can't be everywhere at the same time. I'm referring to a security architecture, a security personnel. Some are already combating in the north. They are not even enough. There are some already deployed in Imo State, Southeast, and some may be deployed ahead of time in Anambra ahead of April 4th of Monday sit at home. We can't continue. We can't win this way. Engage the stakeholders. Why are they not happy? What is going on? Some of them have been very bold enough to say, look, they want Nnamdi to become released. Why not take this matter to the presidency? Dialogue it. Political solution, maybe. Compromise here and there, maybe. So that, we keep hearing things like they heap it on indigenous people of Biafra that they're the one that did this. IPOB will later distance themselves from it with proofs. The next thing, another thing again happens. IPOB will again distance themselves. Then we have the autopiloters who probably take all the glory, saying they're the one and all that. But if we engage the people, all right, Southeast problem, it's actually, you can actually solve it. The solution already, you are hearing it from the mouth of the people. They want their leader, Nnamdi Kanu, for those who are full-fledged IPOB members and supporters of IPOB. They want Nnamdi Kanu released. Talk about solution around it. Talk about dialogue. Now, when that happens, it is still the same people, Southeasterners, that you can use, the youth, to protect the land. Now, if they see any funny looking being trying to use the name of IPOB or trying to infiltrate or even cause some using politics now or political propaganda to bring unrest, it is still the youths that they'll fish them out. Have you ever tried? Have you ever seen? Have you even ever heard when you go to all these spare parts markets? Have you ever heard that they stole somebody's spanner before? You will not hear. Or you kept your pure water on top of your bonnet and you meet your pure water there. You know why? They don't take kindly to stealing. Because every knot in a spare part shop is money. Every farm belt is money. So if they allow stealing to start with knots, they steal the first knot or steal somebody's slippers, the next thing you hear is they've burgled somebody's shop. So they won't even allow it to get there. It is still the people. They rally around. They ensure they can steal any other place. So in that city, in that town, in that place where but you see that their market of spare parts, you don't cross. You still this one. That's if they will even give you benefit of doubt of taking you to the police station. If they take you to the police station, you survive it. The eyes are on you. The day you steal again, you may not even have the opportunity to see the police station. So when they, give that first signal of you don't leave if you steal, nobody tries to steal there. So you just notice that, and most spare part shops and spare part area or spare part market in Nigeria owned by Igbos, that's to tell you that they have the capacity to protect their own if they want to. So if they allow some of these things to happen, it's probably because they're removing their eyes from it. But if you engage them, you'll be surprised. The most peaceful region will be Southeast. They know what to do if they want to do it. The only thing is that the governors have decided not to look at them. They are trying to get military might. It may work if the country is not already overwhelmed with insecurity. But if you want it to, want to curb the insecurity to the barest minimum in Southeast, engage the people. What do they want? Hear from them. Find a compromise, a solution to it somehow, and see how Southeast will be great again. Well, that's my humble suggestion. What's your take? Let's meet in the comment section.